If you've ever struggled to hear dialogue on your TV, or you just prefer reading along with what's being said, turning on subtitles can make a huge difference. In this video, I will show you how to turn on subtitles or closed captions on your Panasonic TV. First, grab your TV remote. Start by pressing the Home or Menu button. This will bring up your Smart TV's main menu. From here, look for Settings. Depending on your TV, this might be a gear icon, or it could be listed under All Settings or System. Go ahead and select Settings. Once you're inside the Settings menu, scroll until you see an option called Accessibility, General, or sometimes Display. This is where subtitle and caption settings are usually found. Now look for Subtitles, Closed Captions, or Captions. Select that option. At this point, you should see a simple toggle. Turn Subtitles or Closed Captions on. That's it. Your TV should now display subtitles whenever supported content is playing. One important thing to know: some streaming apps also have their own subtitle settings. So if subtitles don't appear right away, start playing a show or movie, pause it, and look for the CC or subtitles option inside the app itself. And that's how you turn on subtitles on a Smart TV. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out my other tech how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.